$99,999,999. It's hopeless.
You said it, kid.
Wait, who's there?
Me. It's Mayzie.
Mayzie? Are you on a nest?
Yeah, you want to make something of it?
No, it's just I've never seen you on a nest before, that's all.
Neither did I, Horde. Neither did I.
Why, Mayzie, I couldn't. Of all silly things. I'm an elephant without feathers, and I sure don't have wings. And on top of that, I'm here on a search. I can't leave all those poor whoos in the lurch.
I won't be gone long, kid. I give you my word. I'll hurry right back, because I'm that sort of bird. I'll hurry and I promise I'll fly back real soon. I'd only be gone for, say, one afternoon?
Well, we all need vacations. All right, go on, take it. I'll sit on that egg and I'll try not to break it. But come back quickly, 1 hour, maybe 2. I've got to find Jojo and I've got to save who.
Thanks.